A Swiss court has sentenced 4 members of the Hinduja family to up to 4.5 years in prison for exploiting and maltreating their servants. Prakash Hinduja and his wife Kamal were given 4.5-year sentences by the court in Geneva. Their son Ajay and daughter-in-law Namrata received 4-year sentences. The Hindujas have appealed against these sentences. They said in a statement that they are appalled and disappointed by the decision by the court of first instance and that their appeal now makes the present judgment ineffective. They said that they must be presumed to be innocent until a final judgment is handed down by the higher court. They said there is no effective detention of any family member currently. The Hindujas were not in court when the sentence was read out on Friday. The sentences now that we have seen were handed down despite an out-of-court settlement reached between the Hinduja family and 3 servants that they had employed who had brought the case and the allegations against them. Under that settlement, the servants withdrew their complaint after receiving an undisclosed amount in payment from the Hinduja family. But the prosecution decided to proceed with the case because they said that this is a violation of very serious Swiss laws. Prosecution had alleged that the servants were paid the equivalent in Swiss francs of 20,000 to 35,000 rupees a month, which was far below fair Swiss wages for their job. The prosecutor argued in court that the Hindujas spent less on their servants than they did on the family pet, on which the Hindujas, as the account cited showed, spent about 65 to 70,000 rupees a month. It was also alleged that the servants were on duty up to 18 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they had to sleep on mattresses on the floor in the basement of the Hinduja mansion in Geneva. The Hindujas argued on the other side that the servants were paid fair wages. They denied the accusations that they were not allowed to leave the house to go outside and step outside into town. They said the prosecution only wanted to do in the Hindujas. They argued that this should be a case of justice, not social justice. The Hindujas were cleared of the more serious charge of human trafficking on the ground that the servants knew the kind of contract they were getting into and that they had accepted. The wealth of the Hinduja brothers is variously estimated between $20 and $45 billion. The group is spread across 38 countries and employs about 200,000 people.